Welcome, savvy investors. Today, we delve deeper into Palantir Technologies and what makes this stock so intriguing. Born out of the aftermath of September 11th attacks, Palantir Technologies emerged with a mission to make the world a safer place. The company was founded by a team of Silicon Valley entrepreneurs who believed in the power of data to protect people and organizations worldwide. Named after the Seeing Stones in J.R.R. Tolkien's epic Lord of the Rings, Palantir aspires to provide its clients with a similar ability to see through the complexities of vast amounts of data. This goal has been the driving force behind the development of Palantir's two primary software platforms, Palantir Gotham and Palantir Foundry. Palantir Gotham, initially developed for counterterrorism analysts at the Pentagon, is now widely used by defense, intelligence agencies, and law enforcement to integrate, visualize, and secure their data. On the other hand, Palantir Foundry serves the private sector, providing a central operating system for their data. Industries ranging from pharmaceuticals to insurance to automotive manufacturers use Foundry to transform their organizations into modern, data-driven operations. But Palantir is not just about software, it's about a new way of thinking about and utilizing data. By creating platforms that help humans and machines work together to make sense of complex and scattered information, Palantir is revolutionizing how decisions are made. Whether it's catching fraudulent activities in the financial world, improving supply chains, or predicting machinery breakdowns before they happen, Palantir's technology is there, making a difference. So what's the secret sauce that makes Palantir so special? It's their ability to provide an integrated, end-to-end data solution. They not only help organizations collect and store data, but also enable them to analyze, interpret, and take action on it. And as the world becomes more digitized, the demand for such comprehensive data solutions is only set to increase. Palantir is not just a company, it's a revolution in the way we understand and utilize data. Now that we've understood what Palantir does, let's take a look at the numbers that matter. Palantir's financial health is a key factor in determining its stock value. So let's dive into the nitty-gritty of it all. When it comes to revenue, Palantir has been experiencing a steady upward trend. The company's revenue surged by 47% in 2023, which is a testament to its robust business model and the increasing demand for its services. This upward trajectory is expected to continue as the company expands its reach and diversifies its client base. Profitability is another crucial factor to consider. While Palantir is yet to post consistent profits due to its heavy investment in research and development, the company has been making strides in this area. In fact, its adjusted operating income improved significantly in 2023, indicating that Palantir is moving in the right direction towards achieving consistent profitability. Now let's talk about cash flow. Palantir's cash flow has been positive, which is a good sign. This means the company is generating enough cash to cover its operational expenses and invest in growth opportunities. A positive cash flow also provides the company with a buffer against unforeseen challenges, ensuring its long-term stability. But how does Palantir compare to its competitors? Well, in the data analytics and artificial intelligence industry, competition is fierce. However, Palantir's unique value proposition, combined with its impressive client list, positions it favorably against competitors. Its financial performance in terms of revenue growth and cash flow is comparable if not superior to many of its peers. It's worth noting that Palantir's financial performance is not just about the numbers. It's also about the strategic moves the company is making to secure its future. For instance, Palantir's commitment to research and development, as evidenced by its significant R&D spending, is a promising indicator of its future growth potential. To sum up, Palantir's financials paint a picture of a company that is not only surviving, but thriving in a highly competitive industry. Its strong revenue growth, improving profitability, and healthy cash flow, coupled with its strategic investments, make it a compelling player in the data analytics and artificial intelligence space. The numbers speak for themselves. Palantir is a financial powerhouse. Numbers and history aside, what about the future? What is Palantir's growth potential? Let's delve into the heart of the matter. Palantir's growth potential lies in its ability to penetrate key customer sectors such as government, finance, healthcare, and technology. Each sector presents unique challenges and opportunities, and Palantir's data analysis and AI solutions are designed to meet these head-on. In the realm of government, Palantir's advanced data analytics tools are helping to detect fraud, prevent cyber threats, and even aid in counter-terrorism efforts. This is not just limited to the United States. Governments around the world are recognizing the need for advanced data analytics, and Palantir is well positioned to meet this demand. In the finance sector, Palantir's platforms are helping financial institutions to detect fraudulent transactions, manage risk, and make better investment decisions. As the global financial landscape becomes more complex, the need for sophisticated data analysis tools is only set to increase. Healthcare is another promising sector. Palantir's platforms are being used to improve patient outcomes, streamline operations, and even aid in the research and development of new treatments. With the global healthcare market expected to reach nearly $10 trillion by 2030, the potential for growth is immense. And let's not forget the technology sector. Palantir's platforms are helping tech companies to make sense of vast amounts of data, drive innovation, and stay ahead of the competition. As the digital transformation continues to accelerate, the demand for Palantir's services in the tech sector is likely to grow. But Palantir's growth potential doesn't stop there. The company is continually exploring strategic projects and contracts with major clients. These partnerships not only provide a steady stream of revenue, but also open up opportunities for expansion into new markets. Consider Palantir's recent partnerships with leading automotive manufacturers to develop AI-driven solutions for autonomous vehicles, or its collaborations with major pharmaceutical companies to accelerate drug discovery. Each of these partnerships represents a stepping stone towards new markets and further growth. So, what's the bottom line? Palantir is not just a company that's riding the wave of data analytics and AI, it's a company that's shaping the wave, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and helping organizations around the world to unlock the value of their data. With its innovative solutions and strategic partnerships, Palantir's growth potential is significant. While we've discussed the company and its potential, what about the market? What are Palantir's market prospects? In an era where data is the new oil, Palantir's market prospects appear bright. With the world becoming increasingly interconnected, the demand for effective data management and information security solutions is skyrocketing. And this is where Palantir's advanced data analytics and artificial intelligence services come to the fore. They offer organizations a way to navigate the complex maze of data, providing them with actionable insights that can drive their strategic decision-making processes. But let's not forget that the market is a dynamic entity, often influenced by a myriad of external factors. One of these factors is stock market volatility. In times of economic uncertainty, the stock market can swing wildly, affecting the price of stocks across the board, including Palantir. However, it's important to remember that volatility is a double-edged sword. While it can lead to short-term losses, it can also present long-term buying opportunities for keen-eyed investors. Another external factor that could impact Palantir's stock price is the response of its competitors. In the cutthroat world of technology, competitors are always looking for ways to outdo each other. If a competitor comes up with a revolutionary product or service that outperforms Palantir's offerings, it could negatively impact Palantir's market share, and by extension, its stock price. However, it's worth noting that Palantir has built a strong reputation in the field of data analytics and artificial intelligence. Its unique selling proposition lies in its ability to provide customizable solutions that cater to the specific needs of its clients, a trait that gives it a competitive edge over many of its rivals. In conclusion, while there are external factors that could impact Palantir's stock price, the growing demand for data management and information security solutions, coupled with Palantir's robust product portfolio, bode well for its market prospects. In a world that is increasingly data-driven, Palantir's market prospects look promising. So, what do all these facts and figures mean for you as an investor? In essence, they paint a promising picture of a company at the forefront of data analysis and artificial intelligence. We've delved into Palantir's history, mission, and contributions to the data-driven decision-making landscape. We've scrutinized their financial performance and compared it to competitors, revealing a robust and competitive position. We've explored their growth potential across key sectors like government, finance, healthcare, and technology. We've also examined their strategic contracts and the potential for further expansion into new markets. Lastly, we've discussed the market prospects of Palantir in the context of the increasing global focus on data management and cybersecurity. The external factors that could influence Palantir's stock price, such as market volatility and competitor responses, have also been considered. For investors considering Palantir in their portfolio, this company warrants further research and consideration. As always, stay savvy and keep investing smartly.